Hello everyone, myself Nidhi. Welcome to my channel Nidhi Fashions. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon to get the notification for all future videos. Hello everyone, myself Nidhi. In today's video, I am going to show you how to stitch customized designer latkan for wedding. So let's begin. For making this latkan, we need some fabric, laces and some beads and also a canvas paper. Firstly, what I have to write in the latkan, I am writing the same thing in this paper. Also write the things according to the size you want of your latkan. Then I make this box. Similarly, I'll write the whole thing, that is Dulhan ki Bhabhi. Now we'll cut all of this. Now I kept this paper cutting over this fusion paper and do the marking. Now we'll cut it. I need two parts of all these fusion papers cutting. Now I double this fabric and cut it according to this fusion paper, as we need 2 parts of fabric also. With the help of iron, paste this fusion paper over the fabric and also fold all these corners like this and iron it. As you can see, I already ironed all these extra fabric. Now I am taking both these parts and placing it wrong on wrong side. Now I am placing this lace in between of both these parts. Now sew it like this. Leave some space open over this side so that we can insert the cotton. We'll insert the cotton from this opening and then later we'll sew it. Similarly, I'll prepare the other parts. cut a single line of this. Now according to these letters, we'll cut this lace. Then with the help of fabric glue, we stick all these letters one by one over the fabric. Similarly, we stick all these letters on other parts as well. Now from this opening, I am inserting this cotton. Then sew this opening like this. Similarly, insert the cotton on all the other parts as well. Now, with the help of thread and needle, I am inserting these beads over this corner like this. Similarly, add these beads on the other corner as well. In the center of this part, I am adding some beads as well. Now, sew the other end of this bead line with this part. Similarly, add beads over here as well. So, with the help of this bead line, we join all these three parts. I'm sewing this inserting loop over here. So our customized designer Latkan is ready for this wedding season. Hope you liked this video. Also, if you have any query or suggestion, please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.